Dumelang! Tsakofata here with our 5th session. Thought I'll bring some props today. This is our book in the savannah, or animals in the savannah. Kwanageng. This is from Lusika Writes, and I thought we'll talk about the animals that we might find in the savannah. This is just 10 animals. I'm pretty sure there's a lot more. I'll add some more information on the description bar on how you might get this for your little one if you're interested. But yeah, we can go through it today. So, diphologolo is animals. Diphologolo. Tsakwanageng means animals we might find in the savannah. So, what first animal might we find? An elephant. Oh. So that's elephant. Oh. So the T and the L make a oh. And you say all the vowels. Oh. So that's an elephant. We might also find a giraffe. Tudra. So the T and the H make a tudra. That's a giraffe. Whoop. We might find a hippo. Hippopotamus. Kubu. That's a hippopotamus. That is a crocodile. Quena. Oh, we might find a bunny, a rabbit. Muka. That is a rabbit. And a lion. Ow is a lion. A monkey. Cabo is a monkey. This one's a bit long for rhinoceros or rhino. Rhinoceros. Tukudu. Whoop. Oh, that's a leopard. Nkwe. So you say all the letters. Ow. Murubisi. Wow. So these are the 10 that we had in our little book, but there's more. So what other animals might you find in the savannah? Let's see. You might find a snake. Snake is noja. Was a snake. What else might you find? A bird. Nonyani. That's a bird. You might find a chameleon. Random, but came to my mind. Chameleon. Lilobu. That's a chameleon. What other animal would you find? Maybe you write the animals on the description box below and I'll get back to you with what we call them and how we say them too. I'll make a video. So those would be the animals we find in the savannah, or some that I remember and I can pop up my head. But we might find some other animals at the farm. At the farm. I think I have more of these ones in my head than the savannah ones. But yeah, at the farm. At the farm. This is the English version of our book. So I'll do the translations and all the writing. So at home, or in the household, or in the farm, you might find a cat. There's a cat. Kati. Kati. There's a cat. Meow. Kati. And that one is another animal you might find. You wouldn't be happy to find that one. That's a mouse. Beba. Beba is a mouse. Kati is a cat. Oh, there's a sheep. Sheep. Nku. Nku. That is a sheep. What animal we find? Chicken. Kuku. 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 That is a name of the chicken. This one's a horse. Biti. Biti. Horse. Komo. Komo is a cow. Komo is a cow. That's the milk. Mashi. Mashi. Komo. Kolobe. Kolobe is a pig. Kolobe. Pig. We might have a wild pig, like a wild boar. That one is kolobe ya naga. Remember? Naga is a savannah, so it's like a wild one. Kolobe ya naga. This one, it's just kolobe. Kolobe. Dog. Ncha. 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 Turkey. Kalakuma. 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 I'm tempted to make all the sounds. No, I'm not going to make the sounds. Kalakuma. Kalakuma. Duck. Bidi bidi. Bidi bidi. Bidi bidi. Goat. Poody. Bidi bidi. Poody. Poody. Oh, and that's the last one. I think there's more that you'll find on the farm or in the household. What else? What animals? I'm not sure. I had a whole lot of them in my head and then they all disappeared. But yeah, the most common one are dog and cat, sheep, goat, horse. I think we've covered most of them. This is the animals you'd find in a farm somewhere off in Africa or even here, or maybe in Australia you might find bunnies and hedgehogs and yeah, I don't even know. The bunny, we have a name, Mutla. Mutla. But hedgehogs and I'm not sure what those are called. They're probably descriptive names rather than proper names. But yeah, so we have a Setswana version of this book, just like we have a Setswana version of that book. And yeah, so the animals we find around the home. You can hopefully soon learn how to make sentences with that. Kiboni, which means I have seen. Kiboni budi, I've just seen a goat. Kiboni budi. Boni is I've seen. So kiboni nku ilela. Kiboni nku ilela means I saw a sheep bleating. Bah, bah. Okay, no more sound effects from me. But yeah, animals around the house and around the farm. Till next time, bye.